Hi Caleb, I just wanted to check in and see how you were doing. We made it through Friday, our first week of at-home learning. I understand that you have an older cousin at home helping you, which I think is great. So thank you for that. I just wanted to check in and again see how you were doing. I hope that you have been able to complete most of the activities in Google Classroom and also some of the reading lessons I have been sending. I will continue to do that as we go through at-home learning. Next week, you will be getting, in addition to that lesson plan from me each day, I'm also going to sign you up for a new website called Raz Kids. I've sent you access to Homer, and I hope you are able to get on that. But Raz Kids is another fun, great learning website that you can do after you finish or maybe when you're taking a break. And Carson is working and you need to still be working. It is an online library just for your reading level. So I will go in, I will enter your information, I will tell it what your reading level is, and it will choose books just for you. And so the more books you read, the more points you get. And it's going to ask you some questions, let you do some things with the book, but it is just to help you practice reading and building that reading level and become a better reader. So that is something that's coming to you next week. I'm also going to check in and see if there's a time where we can schedule a FaceTime or a Google Hangout where I can actually see you and we can talk and I can check in on how you're doing. But that is something that's coming next week. So again, I hope you had a great week. I hope you have a good weekend. Finish up the things you need to do today and maybe you can get some time to play outside or take a break because I know we've all worked so hard. So if you have any questions, have mommy and daddy email me, let me know. Don't forget to be sending me pictures of what you're doing throughout the week just to check in so I can see how you're doing and make notes on your progress. That's very important. Just so I know what's going on since we aren't getting to see each other every day like we would at school. So if you'll remember to do that for me, I would really appreciate it. And if you have any questions about that, please let me know. But again, enjoy the rest of your Friday. Have a great weekend. And again, be on the lookout for more information from me on Monday. Okay? Bye.